Are you wondering which automation tool is better for you? Today, we're comparing N8n and Flowise to help you decide. Both N8n and Flowise are tools that help automate tasks. They connect different apps and services, making your work easier. You can save time by setting up workflows that run automatically. Let's start with N8n. This tool is open source, which means it's free to use and you can customize it. N8n has a user friendly interface. You can create complex workflows without needing to code. It supports many integrations, so you can connect to popular apps easily. Plus, it gives you control over your data. Now, let's look at Flowise. Flowise is also user friendly but focuses more on visual workflows. It has a drag and drop feature that makes building automation simple. Flowise is great for users who prefer a more visual approach. It also offers templates to get you started quickly. So, what are the main differences? N8n is more customizable and gives you more control over your data. Flowise is easier to use for beginners and focuses on visual design. If you want flexibility and don't mind a learning curve, N8n is a good choice. If you prefer a straightforward visual approach, Flowise might be better for you. When it comes to features, N8n has a wider range of integrations and customization options. Flowise, on the other hand, shines with its ease of use and quick setup. Pricing is another factor. N8n is free, but you might need to pay for hosting if you want to run it yourself. Flowise offers a free tier, but advanced features may require a subscription. In the end, choose N8n if you want flexibility and control. Go for Flowise if you want something simple and easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.